Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable camera access in Opera GX browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera GX browser and then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner. Then choose Settings in the drop down menu. Next, select Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. On the right, click on Site Settings. Then scroll up and under Permissions section, click on this one Camera option. By default, Opera GX allows sites to ask your camera. In case you want to disable this one camera access, select the next one option. Don't allow sites to use your camera.